In today's episode, we put the spotlight on the top 3 pursuit boats that deliver exceptional value for your budget. Whether you're an avid angler, a family seeking leisure on the water, or a couple looking for weekend adventures, these vessels offer flexibility, performance, and luxurious comfort tailored to your preferred experience. Pursuit Boats has consistently set the standard for innovation and quality, combining advanced technology with timeless design. Stay tuned as we reveal our top picks, show how these boats balance style and value, and discuss why they are a smart choice for discerning boating enthusiasts. This is an episode you won't want to miss. If this is your first time here, I'm Roxanne, and you're watching Harbour Masters, your weekly showcase of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. Introducing the Pursuit 325 Offshore, a vessel that seamlessly blends form and function, delivering an elevated experience for those who demand more from their time on the water. Its sleek, modern exterior is both stylish and aerodynamic, while intelligent design elements such as the single-piece, optically cleared windshield, and forward-facing bridge deck seating guarantee both safety and comfort. The cockpit offers ample space, featuring a dive door, a generous transom walkway, and versatile rod holders for the angling enthusiast. Inside, the well-appointed interior boasts contemporary finishes, a streamlined galley, and expensive hull-side windows that flood the space with natural light, creating a welcoming atmosphere for relaxation. Measuring 34 feet 6 inches or 11 meters in length, with a beam of 10 feet 10 inches or 3.30 meters, the 325 Offshore has a dry weight of 12,430 pounds or 5,638 kilograms and a 20-degree dead rise, optimizing stability and smooth handling. Twin Yamaha F300 or F350 engines provide a combined 600 horsepower, propelling the vessel to a maximum speed of 45 knots or 51.3 miles per hour. The boat's 300-gallon or 1,136-liter fuel capacity supports extended cruising, offering an impressive range of 334 nautical miles or 619 kilometers. Ranked third in our top 3 pursuit boats that offer the best value for your budget, the 325 Offshore is priced between $260,000 and $585,000 US. The Pursuit 365 Dual Console integrates utility and luxury within its sleek, modern design. Featuring a tempered glass windshield and wide walkways, this vessel guarantees safety and easy access from bow to stern, while offering a layout that transitions effortlessly between relaxation and activity. The well-appointed cabin includes solid wood finishes, hull-side windows, and thoughtfully crafted berths for comfortable overnight stays. Ergonomically arranged helm controls and the option for a Garmin electronic suite enhances the navigation experience, while patent-pending fold-away seating in the cockpit maximizes adaptability. The 365 Dual Console offers generous space for both socializing and practical use, with an overall length of 37 feet 11 inches or 12 meters and a beam of 12 feet or 4 meters. It features a 20-degree dead-rise hull that balances strength and performance, while the triple Yamaha F300 engines generate a maximum output of 900 horsepower, propelling the boat to speeds of up to 44 knots or 51 miles per hour. Its range of 258 nautical miles or 478 kilometers is supported by a substantial 326 gallons or 1,234-liter fuel tank, ensuring extended trips. With a dry weight of 17,000 pounds or 7,711 kilograms, this vessel achieves an exceptional balance between robust construction and agile handling. Cruising in second place, the 365 dual console comes with a price range of $783,000 to $902,500 US. Next, we'll finally share our selection for the top spot. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't miss out on our weekly content. The Pursuit S428 Sport redefines what a flagship center console boat can achieve. Its commanding, sleek design makes a bold statement while elevating the on-water experience. The expansive layout incorporates an array of features for fishing, cruising, and entertaining, including multiple fish boxes, abundant rod storage, and a bait prep station to keep every angler equipped. At the heart of its innovation is an industry-first second row of powered convertible seating, ensuring unmatched comfort for larger groups. The cabin is a retreat of tasteful design, offering ample natural light and panoramic views that invite you to experience boating without limits. The S428 delivers exceptional stability and spaciousness, measuring 43 feet 9 inches or 13.33 meters in length and 13 feet 4 meters in beam. Built with a 22-degree deadrise hull and a dry weight of 26,519 pounds or 12,029 kilograms, this vessel is engineered for high performance and durability. Powered by quad Yamaha 425 XTO engines, it produces an astonishing 1,800 horsepower, achieving a top speed of 51 knots or 59 miles per hour. With a 518-gallon or 1,961-liter fuel capacity and a range of 305 nautical miles or 565 kilometers, it's well-suited for extended adventures. Taking the top spot in this episode, the S428 Sport offers exceptional amenities and power, starting at approximately $959,000 US. So, which boat stood out to you the most? What features do you prioritize when choosing your ideal watercraft? Performance, design, or flexibility? Whether you're drawn to a sleek, high-performance model or a more spacious and feature-packed boat, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your preferences and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, expert insights, and updates on the latest in the boating industry. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your fellow boating enthusiasts in your community. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode. Smooth sailing!